So let's get started with React. The what, why, and how. Let's start with what is React question. And let me cite a phrase from the official React page that is React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Now, this is a nice statement, but what does it mean? The first important point is the JavaScript library part. It is a JavaScript library. It is about building JavaScript driven apps. React apps run in the browser. They don't run on the server. They run in the browser, and this gives us a great advantage. Things happen instantly since they happen in the user's browser. We don't have to wait for a server response to get a new page or to render something new. The other important part in the statement is the user interfaces part. So user interfaces are basically what the user sees, and and React is all about using components for building these. Here's an example. This is just a random web page we can think of. We might have header, a sidebar, and on the right some content. So we can clearly split up into these components. We could have a header component, sidebar component, headline component, and article content component. Now, why is thinking like this important or useful? Well, if we split our web app or website into such components, we can build these building blocks or these components as contained pieces of code. We don't have to build our entire web page as one bigger picture. We can build all these tiny things on their own. This, of course, makes working in teams easier. But even if we are working alone, it makes it easy for us to keep our code manageable. If we change the headline later on, we only have to go into that component and update it. We don't have to find that code in our entire web page application or code. We can also see or easily reuse components. For example, if we have a list item component and we want to output a list of these list items, then we only have to write the code once and can then easily reuse it, and this is important. So React components can be thought of as a custom HTML elements. In the end, you are just writing HTML custom elements. That is what React is about, and is therefore solves the problem of having to build complex UIs or user interfaces with what HTML and JavaScript gives you. By writing maintainable, manageable, and reusable pieces of that code, which you can throw into the application wherever you need to use it. So I hope you got a basic idea of what a React is all about. In the next video, we'll be installing and writing our first React code. So stay tuned. Thank you.